Alright, so listen up friends, with this tool we have the ability to send unlimited code campaigns, plus we even get 300 free more monthly without any restrictions. So I want to show you how to use this code outreach tool called Lemlist to start sending code emails, most especially, and as I know many of you are really interested in that, so I'm going to be having a series of videos here on this channel reviewing 6 more code outreach tools that can be used to start sending code emails. Now listen friends, if you want to see more review videos on softwares like this, do well to subscribe now to see the next marketing softwares we will be reviewing next. So I'm going to be leaving the link to this tool in the description box below for your easy access everyone. So here on this page we need to sign up for free, and if you take a closer look at this method of manual sign up, you would need a work email which provides more efficiency than a free Google account. But I know many of us don't have a work email yet, so I'll just go with the sign up with Google account process, which is much more faster and much more easier for almost everyone. So now just go ahead and pick the email you want to use in creating your account right here on Lemlist. Go ahead and click on continue, and right here on this page you want to talk to Lemlist. You want to tell Lemlist the size of your company, so just choose the best numbers that fit your business. I'll go with the first one here, which is only me. Now choose what kind of work you want to do right here on Lemlist. So let me presume you will be using this tool for code outreach, so just go with outreach agency. Then for your role, you want to go with team manager or something preferred by you. For this section, just go ahead and choose something random. Then for this particular section, select any option here as well, and that's it guys. So how did you hear about Lemlist? Just type in here Cost Territory YouTube channel because this is where you are hearing Lemlist from. Now that's it now, and you can see we have a new dashboard created for us. Now listen to this very well friends. Here on Lemlist, okay, it is different from other code outreach tools that I have been using. Alright, and we need to go through very important steps to successfully launch our campaign. So I would like to tell you this: if you're in a haste, I need you to calm down and watch every step that I take, so that you would learn everything you need to learn in start sending your code campaigns directly from those tools. So I'll walk you through every step so you don't do it wrongly and get your account locked up for misuse of the tool. So follow me closely. Now the first step is for us to create a new campaign. I'll click on create campaign. Once here, go ahead and click on email, as we want to use this tool to start sending code emails. Now all good friends, now we are getting closer to our goal. Now the next thing we have to do is we need to connect our email sending account, and you should know how very important that can be. So you can see this red highlighted text. I would click on it, then I have to select my email provider. So Lemlist allows just 3 email providers, which are Google, Microsoft Outlook, and a custom email provider. So the easiest to work with is the Google email provider because you are directly sending from a Google account, which means Google is your big guy. So for others here, if you want to get more flexibility, then you might need to go with your own custom SMTP server, as Google and Outlooks work the same way. And I'll prefer you use a custom SMTP server, alright, to get better delivery rate and also hit the inbox folder of your recipient. So I would like to connect my Google account for the purpose of this video, because I know many of you would be using your Google account because it is free to proceed with. So I'll click on Google Connect. Now the next thing I have to do is to select my preferred email address, and that is the email address that I will be using in sending my email. So let's say I send out an email, anybody who's going to be replying to me will be replying to this particular email address. So automatically here, once I choose the email address, you can see automatically my email address has been added as the sender email address for this Lemlist account. You can see all that we just did now. Very easy and very simple. Now I can click on select sender right here, and you can see we have the email here, and I'm going to select it to use it. Now the next thing we have to do is to go ahead and write our email message. So for me, let me quickly go ahead and write my email message to proceed to the next step. Now once you are done, the second step right here for us is where we need to import our leads for bulk sending. Now mind you guys, if you want to get leads, okay, you should know that you are getting your leads from verified sources. I would recommend that you do that, okay? Don't just go ahead and script emails without verifying them and bring them to the software. You might get yourself banned, or probably the inbox rate you'll be getting might not be so good. So to import your leads on Lemlist, So you can see after clicking on import leads, Lemlist is offering us a database of prospects that could be helpful one more time. But I already have my own leads stored up somewhere else for the purpose of this video, so I will not use this feature Lemlist is offering us today, but maybe I will use this some other time. Now, to import your leads manually into Lemlist, simply come over to the top, and here where you see the section to import leads manually. Many options for you to manually upload your leads, but I love to go with the one that says import from CXV. I'll proceed to upload my leads. You see we have a message that says upload successful, but it seems I have duplicates right here on those leads, and you can see Lemlist will do well to tell you if you have duplicates in your leads so that you don't get to send the same message to the same person over and over again. So I'm going to go ahead and click on proceed to continue. Now go ahead and click on import leads, and that's it. We have it all here. All our leads have been successfully uploaded, and we are done with the step. Now on to the next step, the third step now, which is for us to launch our campaign. But right before you do that, guys, before you click on launch with Lemlist, you can schedule your campaign. Just like today being Sunday for me, I would not like to send my emails right today, so I want to schedule this for Monday. So I could just go ahead and schedule this in order to reach the right people at the right time. Now I have my campaign already scheduled for 8 a.m. tomorrow, which is Monday morning, and that's all. You can see all of the steps is what you have to take rightly for you to get this notification from Lemlist that says you are ready to start sending your emails. So if you think this tool has what it takes to be the best cold outreach tool for you, let me know in the comment section below. So with Lemlist, guys, you can also integrate 3 of your favorite CRM tools: HubSpot, Pipedrive, and Salesforce. And with the tracking section here, you can track and see how the campaigns and see how your campaigns are performing. And some amazing features I would love to talk to you about concerning Lemlist is the template section, and this is for people who don't know how to write good cold email copies or scripts. Here on the section you can find template of working emails which you can edit and make suitable for your preference or for your business. And you can also see that you can use this tool to find high prospect for your cold outreach, and this is one amazing thing. So all of these things concerning prospecting and cold outreach, all of this can be done right here on Lemlist. So you can see how very robust this software can be. So all you need to do is to just fit in your request and see this tool do the work for you. The pricing plan is what many of you might be interested in, and just watch this, guys. With as low as $79 per month, you can have unlimited emails being sent with various other amazing features included. You have everything designed and prepared for you right here on Lemlist. So if you feel like if this tool is something you would love to try out, still let me know in the comment section below, and I will love to hear your thoughts concerning Lemlist. And mind you, guys, some other videos will be coming up where I'm going to show you some other tools that can be used in sending out bulk code emails. So if you want to see those videos, make sure to subscribe now and stay tuned, as they'll be coming up live soon. And I'll see you there. Take care of yourself, and bye.